Get up, Tatiana. Get up. Gotta get up early in the morning. Tatiana, get up. You gotta get up. Oh, yeah, where you at, baby? I said, yeah, where you at, baby? Early in the morning. My said I gotta get up. 36 Who is at the door this early in the morning? A package. Okay. What do we have here? Huh?
Is that the one when you pig that's outside?
What's that?
Yeah, outside.
You said what? Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, dude. Some shoes. Wonder what it is. Woo! Woo! Here, dude. Here. Woo! Look at these beauties. These are nice. These are nice.
Where's the other one?
I definitely got to put these on feet right now. Okay? I got to wear these today. Okay? That's what we're doing. So, yeah. Jared, guess what? They glow in the dark. They glow in the dark. Now, Jared, you better give me back my shoe. Oh, Jared, where are you? There you are. Give me my shoes. Give me my All right, before I get to work, I've been feeling under the weather for the past couple of days, but before I get to work, there's something I gotta do. I gotta do dad duties, okay? See this right here? This is my daughter's room. I don't know why she has this much trash in her room, but I have to take this out, okay? Let's go. Listen, you guys, it seemed like waivers had been coming in abundance. My last vlog, waivers came in, but this guy right here, hold on, y'all ain't, let me put the light on it. This guy right here said, what? Dipping, this is nasty. All right, this cut right here is about to be fire, you already know. When a waiver comes in my chair, you don't gotta say nothing, just let me do me. You know what I mean? And that's the best cut you will ever get. At the end of the day, his life will never be the same.
A number two? A two? That's a lot! Jay-Z!
He's the top of the West. Always cool, he's the best. He keeps alive with his...
I know I said that, you know, you ain't gotta say nothing, but what kind of cut you get?
I want to get a... I think it's a high taper.
High taper?
Yeah.
Nasty. This is just nasty. This is dedication. This is hard work. All right, this is nonstop. This is. Do you have any Instagram where anybody can follow you? We can put the link right here.
Smitty all in.
Listen.
Fitness too. I do fitness.
Hold on. You do fitness?
Yeah.
Where's the? Instagram?
Smitty all in. At Smitty all in.
Link
Instagram.
will be right here in the palm of my hands. Here's the link. All right.
Yeah.
Follow this man. He dipping.
Appreciate you. I look good. I said, oh.
Is it weird or what?
Man, no.
What's weird?
Yeah, we're all
I'll
in
be
the
sitting
same.
there looking at that.
It's just weird that you're next to me.
What?
I mean, we're all in it together, right?
We're gonna hang out with your other friends.
Velocity
No.
all the way.
So with y'all, YouTube, it's my son Jared right here. He's gonna teach you how to get waves.
I'm the godparent. Yeah. Dude. Hi, Jay.
All right.
So long, gay boy.
So long.
Elbow. That's like the left hand.
Listen, I'm pissed. Fonz gonna sit up here and go on Instagram and talk about, hey, everybody, look at me. I'm looking rough. Everything is on my head. I look like a bum. Look at me. This is what he had to say.
Listen. I look, Jeezy. I know we're gonna go to the barbershop together at the same time, but your wolf and my wolf are completely different. Now, me and 360 Jeezy are wolfing together, and we're gonna go get our haircut in Chicago together. By Get Beamed. But then I started thinking, who's going first? Look, man, after thinking about it, I can realize, even though Jeezy's been wolfing just like me, he's not really looking rough like me. See, 360 Jeezy has the conservative wolf. He has the I can still go to church with my family wolf. Me, on the other hand, I have the don't stand next to me wolf. He needs some change wolf. He don't take care of his family wolf. He look like he stink wolf. Look, Jeezy, I understand we're doing big things, but bro, you might have to wait. I don't know about y'all, man. What y'all think? Because look at me. Y'all, look at that. Look at this. Y'all see this? Huh? Sorry, Jeezy. I think I might have to go first. What y'all think?
Fonz, you not going first. I know I'm not seeing what I'm seeing. Fonz just dropped a video talking about he gonna go first with getting cut by Get Beamed. Look, Fonz, I get it. You may look like a werewolf. You may even look like you homeless. People might say you stink. Your hair does look a hot mess. Not to mention your beard. Your beard does look like Family Guy when Peter grew out his beard and had the little baby chickens in his mustache. So people might say, yeah, let Fonz go first. Yeah, it's only right. I say no. And here's the reason why. I've been whooping all my life. And for you to think you could just come into the game. Been in the game for 6 years. 6 long years. I went on many wolf journeys. Raised over 2 million on YouTube. You gonna give me my seniority. You not going first, man. You not going first. At all. You not.